Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 70. ABEOJI. ABEOJI. Again, our word for today is ABEOJI. The Korean word ABEOJI is a noun which means father. Again, ABEOJI means father. How do you write ABEOJI in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable A, we need to draw first a no sound iyong followed by an A character. And then for the second syllable bo, we need to draw first a B up character followed by an O character. And for the last syllable G, we need to draw a G character followed by an E character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables. And with that, you've just learned ABEOJI. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 60 to 69. But don't forget our word for today, word number 70, ABEOJI, which means father. The first word for our review is 나중에, which means later. The next word for our review is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word for our review is Araso, which is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. The next word for our review is alta. This is another verb which means to know or to understand. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word for our review is utta. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word for our review is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. And the last word for our review is word number 60, 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.